become yourself, because the past is just a goodbye. Teach your children well, their father's hair did slowly go by, and feed them on your dreams. The one they pick is the one you'll know by. Sing it. Don't you ever ask them why, if they told you